Now this car looks absolutely amazing value for money because of what it is. It's a Defender 110 with the D250 3-litre diesel engine, and it's the HSE, so your factory spec is absolutely incredible. But then it also has had thousands spent on it with the pod lights, the 22-inch wheels, the extended arch kit, the side steps, the black styling package. It's just stunning. If you're in the market for a Defender and you've always thought to yourself, I want one, but I want one to look the part as well as all the spec, then this is it. 26,000 miles, 23 registration, full service history. It's beautiful. The car is available on PCP, HP. We do take cars in part exchange. But as far as the car goes, this car drives really well and it looks really well. 360 camera system is standard. Because of the HSE, you have got the upgraded LED DRLs with the full LED headlights and LED front fog lights. There's the extended arch kit in the same gloss black. The 22-inch wheels are sitting on the all-terrain tyres, which are the grabber tyres, and that looks really good as well. Classic style mud flaps, front and rear. There's the pod lights which come on from a remote in 2 settings. Comfort access, but then take a look inside. You've got the full leather interior, and that's that nice soft leather. Electric memory seats with the Meridian surround sound system, and that does make a difference if you do like your music. Fully fitted mats, the big screen navigation, and then the all-important air suspension. You've got adaptive cruise control, heated steering wheel, and the tilt and sliding panoramic roof. Twin cup holders, 2 keys, leather armrest. You're nice and high up. There's leather everywhere, including the top dash, the bottom dash, and the door cards. The ambient lighting continues here and also there, and them door bins are huge, big enough to put your bottles of water in there. In the back, the same continues. You've got lots of space in the back, grab handles to get in and out of, the ambient lighting, and because the car has lots of ground clearance, you'll notice that centre tunnel, which normally is about here, is flat, so it's not raised. So all 3 passengers in the back here are nice and comfortable. They've got their own seat belts, their own headrests, and with that glass roof, it's letting in so much light. Like the front pod lights, you have the rear spoiler, which gives it a nice sportier edge, the hardback spare wheel cover, and the tinted rear lighting systems. So when the engine is off and the ignition's off, these are normally red or white. Here they're black, so that looks really good. The car is fully stealthed out. The hard finish to the rear here. Air suspension means you can lower and lift the back end. Seats go down and this comes out completely. This car's going live now, and if you look at the price on the screen, you'll see that it is fantastic value for money, because a car like this only a couple of years ago, this is 23 reg, you wouldn't have got much change back from £95,000. So now it's a lot less and someone's going to get a fantastic car. Driver's seat is in good condition. The steps you use to get in and out of, push button start, and then over here you've got the 360 camera. You've got heated seats. Because it's a HSE, you've got ventilated seats, the dual zone climate control, and above your head where the mirror is, you have ClearSight rear view mirror as well. This is awesome. My name's Joe. If you like what you see, give me a call, drop me a text or WhatsApp. My name and number's on that screen. Thank you. Bye-bye now.